Hello and welcome to this WP Cloud Deploy walkthrough. In this video, I'll show you how to install a WordPress site on your server. From your cloud server list in WP Cloud Deploy, click the green Install WordPress button on the server where you'd like to install WordPress. Now type in your domain, choose a language, choose an admin username, an admin password, type in your admin email address, choose your WordPress version, and then click Install. While the WordPress site is installing, you can use the IP address shown above the log to program the DNS for your domain. Now we click OK and click Close. Now we can click the name of our new WordPress website to manage it. Assuming you've already programmed the DNS for your domain, your WordPress website is ready to use.